Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jessica Rengifo. I study administration in the International University of Ecuador, UID, right now, and coursing level 8. My family are my husband Marcelo. He is 59 years old. His birthday is on May. He has green eyes and favorite color is blue. Sometimes he cooks and he doesn't very well, but his favorite food are sweet corn and Italian cuisine. He is a very attractive man who loves to run, and he participates in every race he can subscribe to. He doesn't like music very much. He usually rests while we watches TV at night. And lately, he travels a lot to his farm in Atahualpa. My favorite people are my three children, Marcelo, Andres, and Alejandra. My firstborn is Marcelo. He is 37 years old. He is a very happy, intelligent, and polite man. He studied agronomy, and now he works as a production manager in our family company. He has brown eyes and he is the tallest of our family. His favorite color is yellow. He likes Mexican food and rock music. His favorite soccer team is Barcelona, the Guayaquil, and he likes to play ping pong. Marcelo is married to Gabi. She is very charismatic and organized. She also works with us. They have two wonderful and lovely girls. Valentina, who is 6 years old, and Sarah, who is 18 months old. My grandkids are very smart and they love to come in my living room on weekends. They have a black Boston Terrier named Cookie. Francisco Andres is my second son. He is 4 years old, and his master degree is on international economics. He has brown eyes and he likes blue colors too. He likes to cook on his spare time and loves Italian food and natural place. On weekends, he enjoys biking to the countryside on his bicycle. His girlfriend is Paulina. She likes organic food and she almost never eats meat. She likes a good wine with special cheeses. They enjoy dancing salsa in their experience time and taking their bulldog Lucas for a walk on nights. My last daughter is Alejandra. Her birthday is on August 31. Her eyes are brown and her favorite color is black. Her favorite plate is hornado and she loves to exercise. She is always listening to music and enjoys watching TV. She studied marketing and right now she is cursing her master degree on digital marketing. She also works in our company as our marketing manager. She is a very sweet, funny, and respectful woman who likes countrysides, walks, knowing new places and different cultures. Her pet is a black dog named Ramon. It is 11 years old. I am very lucky to have this wonderful and united family. We like to play cards on weekends when they all come to my house. Our company name is Sisamutki Aromas y Sabores, and we sell instant coffee. Hope you all will try it someday. Thank you very much.